Hey guys, welcome back to Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I'm going to be doing the unboxing and setup of the Redmi Smart Band Pro. So this is a fitness and activity tracker from Xiaomi, and I bought it from the Amazon's Great Indian Festival for around 1900 rupees. I also got some card discount as well. Today I'll be doing the unboxing, I'll set up this, and I'll also share my experience of using this product for the last few days. So as you guys can see, this is the box package of the Redmi Smart Band Pro. It comes in this white colored rectangle shaped box. It has the charger, which is the magnetic based charger, and also this smart band inside the two pouches, and there is nothing else in the box, guys. So this charger can be used with any of your mobile phone adapters, guys. It also has some sort of fast charging, but still it will take around 1.5 to 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. So you can use this magnetic connectors that is present behind this watch, and you can just plug this charger behind your smart band like this, and you can charge your band. So when the band is charging, it will actually show a notification like the band is charging in green color. So when you just plug in the band to a power socket for the first time, the band will turn on, and you can select the language and go ahead and set up the band. I'll select the language, and then it will show this QR code, guys. Now you have to bring your phone and you have to point the camera or any other QR scanning application on your phone, and it will take you to a browser where you can download the Mi Fitness application. This supports on both the Android and iOS devices. So Mi Fitness is the app. The Mi Band uses a different app called Zep Life, but this Redmi bands use this app called Mi Fitness. Both are similar, but some features are different. So now go ahead and agree to this terms and conditions, and you can get into the application, and you have to select the region here. You can select the region, whichever region you live in. I live in India, so I'm selecting as India, and let's click on next, and the app is ready. Now you have to go to the devices section of the app and click on add a device, and then you have to select pair a device, and then you have to log into a Mi account. You can use the Google account, or you can use your mobile phone to set up a Mi account if you don't have an account, and then pair the device. There is a number that is being displayed on the band. You can just select that and then pair the device. The whole pairing process is actually simple, guys. It's not that difficult. You can just follow the instructions that I showed on the screen, and you can just pair it in under 5 minutes. You have to also click on that, and you have to confirm on the phone, and the pairing is successful. It's as simple as that. Once the pairing is done, everything else is self-explanatory. It will show the instructions. Just follow the instructions. You can use widgets. This is the notification that I was talking about when you are charging the device actually. And next, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and set up the band, and also I will show you the different features that is present in the app. So these are the band faces, guys. So there will be a default band face, that is the first one. This is a band face that is already available in the application. You can apply the band face. This is like an analog clock. It looks really cool, but the fitness based information will not be displayed with this band face. So that is something that you have to take a note of. If you want fitness related information to be displayed all the time, you can use this health ring band face. So there are multiple other band face as well, which you can download from the Xiaomi store. So these are the different band faces. Whichever band face will suit your preferences and your liking, you can go ahead and set that band face. And you have to turn on the notifications here for the phone and for the messages and for the different applications. This is quite simple on Android, but on iOS this is kind of difficult. You have to turn on the notifications for phone, messages, and there is an other option. That's it. This is a solution for iOS users that is displayed on the app. You have to just follow this settings, and then you will be good to go. The other notifications will also arrive. And there is heart rate monitoring in the watch. It has continuous heart rate monitoring. You can just set it to how frequently the heart rate needs to be monitored. You can also set the notification for higher heart rate as well. I have set the notification for somewhere around 130. You can also set up the active heart rate monitoring as well, so that it monitors if you are having higher heart rates actively and not once in some minutes or something. So active heart rate monitoring is also present. So there is sleep tracking, of course. The sleep tracking is fantastic. I have done a Mi Band 6 review. In that I have told how accurate the sleep tracking is. The accuracy level of this sleep tracking is as close to an Apple Watch or a Samsung's high-end watch. So there is blood oxygen level monitoring, that is SpO2. that is also present in this watch. That is also works perfectly good, but this is not a medical device. That is something that you have to note down. And this is the stress monitoring that is present, and this is what I was talking about, guys. The the Mi Band 6. I have the Mi Band 6, and the display of the Redmi Band Pro is bigger and larger, and the visibility is also pretty good. This is actually a large 1.47 inch AMOLED display, guys, and this is the stress monitoring that is present in the device. It has continuous stress monitoring, and also it has this standing feature where it will notify you if you have been idle for a longer period of time. It will just notify you have to stand up and start walking, so that it is very good for the health. There is an alarm feature that you can set, and of course there is weather. There is continuous weather updates. In order to show the continuous weather updates, it needs your location all the time, and you can actually see your weather in this app section, and you have to scroll down there and you can actually select weather, and it will show the continuous weather. And the next important thing about this is the presence of workout modes. There are a lot of workout modes in the application that is present, guys. You can set the workout modes based on your requirement. Whichever workout mode that is suitable to you can add that workout mode to the band. According to Redmi, there is around 110 workout modes that is present. So there is raise to wake feature that is present as well. So if you just raise the band to your face, the display will turn on and you can just see the information. So there is this firmware update. There is already a firmware update that is available. I'll just go ahead and download the firmware update, and I'll just resume in a minute. And also another important thing that is present in this band is that you can actually connect Apple Health and Strava Health applications to your app, guys. So this is very important. You can actually use all the data from Apple Health to this specific application and just interlink the data. So another important thing is the workout modes that I was talking about. These are the different workout modes. It actually shows the workout modes in the app itself, or you can see the workout modes on the band as well. So the outdoor running is present, walking, treadmill, cycling, the swimming, elliptical swimming, yoga, rowing, jump rope, which is basically skipping, hiking, and there are hundreds of different workout modes. Whichever workout modes you like, you can just add the workout mode. If you play badminton or archery or table tennis or just casual cricket or something, you can just select that specific workout mode, and this will actually start tracking all the information that you are doing in that specific workout on the band, and also it will show the detailed information in the app also. So this actually has continuous SpO2 monitoring, continuous heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, and also continuous sleep monitoring as well, guys. And one important thing is this band is actually certified to use inside a swimming pool for swimming as well. So it has 5 ATM water resistance, and also the battery life, as they say, is around 14 days. But so if you are using always on display, the battery life will die in around 4 days. If you are not using always on display, the battery life will be very good, around 7 to 8 days. So you can see all the data of your tracking and everything inside the app. So there is also the women's menstrual health tracking as well, which is a very good feature. You have to manually add that information in the app, and it will start tracking and giving you notification regarding the menstrual cycle and other things. So there is the music control feature, guys. So you can just play and pause the music that is being played on your phone directly using the band. And there is this camera feature which is actually really cool. Let me just demonstrate this. You can use this to set the timer and take the photos right from the band. Like if you're having like 3 or 4 people, if you guys are taking a group fee or a group selfie, then you can just use this band just like this, tap once, and it will take the photo. You can actually even set the timer. That is a really cool feature that I saw in this band. So this is a fantastic band, guys. I've been using it, and there is also this DND mode. You can actually set the DND mode, or you can even schedule the DND mode. Whenever you sleep, you can set the DND mode till the time you wake up in the morning. So it won't give you any notifications and keep vibrating until you wake up. So that DND mode is also present in this band. So another important feature is regarding the brightness. You can set the auto brightness, guys, or you can set the manual brightness as well. And also there is the auto workout detection mode. You can set up to 3 sport activities, and based on that specific sport activity, band will auto detect what you are doing. So there is actually a minimum of 5 minutes you have to perform that activity until it starts the activation. As you can see, this is the always on display setting. when you set the always on display and the band gets locked, so this is how actually it starts looking. It looks actually very cool. It will always be on, and as I said, when you're using always on display, it will consume the battery more. So there is the notification center, and there is this home screen, and many other features are present on this band. So the band is actually pretty good. So it uses the live Q health algorithm for the prediction and for other activities that it needs to be tracking. It has a fantastic big and bright AMOLED display, and it has great clarity, guys. Outdoor viewing experience is also fantastic. It has a 100% NTSC based display, and since it has around 283 ppi, the resolution is also very good and it looks really sharp. And as I was talking about the fitness modes, it has more than 100 plus fitness modes, guys. Whatever fitness you are into, it will actually start tracking, and there is detailed fitness information like calories burnt, steps taken, the daily activity, personal activity indicator, the heart rate changes, and other important metrics that is present. So as I was talking, this uses LiveQ health algorithm. LiveQ is a third-party company which is one of the leading providers in biometric and health system for IoT devices. And other miscellaneous features like there is incoming call notification, there is of course alarm, there is of course timer, and there is of course reminders, idle alerts, there is of course the stopwatch, and also there is the torch. Torch is actually pretty bright. I use this torch on a very regular basis. Weight of the band is just under 15 grams, so this is actually very light, and it will not be kind of intrusive when you are wearing it in the night or when you are sleeping or taking a nap. So that is pretty much it for the unboxing, setup, and my impressions of the Redmi Smart Band Pro sports watch. So if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.